Hi, my name is Joe.
I'm Alex.
I'm Jair.
We're high schoolers in California studying engineering, and about a year ago we decided we wanted to make the suit from a video game called Titanfall.
This won't just be for cosplay. This will be a fully functioning replica with agility-enhancing technology, climate control, and protection for the weaker areas of the body.
Now, the jump kit integrated into the back of the suit will allow the user to wall jump, wall run, and move faster overall. For this, we'll be using EDS, or electric duct defense, and that is where the bulk of the campaign money will go.
The suit will be controlled by using two Arduino Unos, and the user will control it using two buttons on the gloves and a touchpad on the forearm.
The Arduinos will be connected to a network, allowing mission control, some manual connection, as well as observation to provide safety for the user.
Now, we're still in the design phase currently, but we will soon be moving over to making a working prototype. So we appreciate any and all donations. The link to the GoFundMe is in the description below. So thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Thank you.